I should get you up to speed on what's happening in my dark academia living room. First of all, let's take a look at these chairs I reupholstered. They haven't been cleaned in 5 years. And the last time I did it, I used some OxyClean. This time I'm gonna try a product called Folex. You're supposed to be able to just spray it on and it instantly, well, as it dries, it's supposed to clean up your upholstery and your carpet. So we'll see. It's actually hard to see on camera because it's so much brighter in real life, but these chairs are getting really dingy. In the living room, I took out the second rug. I had a layered rug on here and it just was busy, and the rug itself was really frustrating me because it kept sliding around. See, this is what it looked like before, and I had the green couch in here. I since have moved the green couch because I feel like it's getting kind of swallowed up, sort of competing with the blue walls. And I put the cognac leather recliners in here. I really like how it balances out the other side of the room. So the green couch is now, I still have it, but I moved it into the next room, which is the fireside room. And I'm debating what to do with this bamboo coffee table. It's kind of in the way, so I might put this back in the living room, but I just really love the green against the cream walls here. And then in the kitchen, we're gonna be painting it green, so that'll look good with the couch. See the little console table over there with the microwave? That was behind the green couch, and I decided to pull that out because I'm having those recliners in there. I kind of like it in here. It's a little crowded with the door, but we're gonna try it, and I think it's good for the moment. I wanted to share with you too my idea with my transferware. I'm always collecting transferware for the seasons. And I decided instead of just using it for one event, I'm gonna set it out and the family can use it for 3 months according to the current season we're in. I think that'll be a fun way to use my dishes a little bit more. Okay, and if you remember this bookshelf, I have pulled it around different spots of the house. I love it. I actually think it would look good in so many places in my house, but I still really like it in this room. So I've decided to keep it and just paint it dark. I need to get some darker blue because the way the light catches it, it makes it look like a light blue. You can see how it looks like it doesn't match the walls. So I'm gonna get some darker blue and paint the insides. And then I kind of set up this little like tiny bistro setup with the table and the 2 kid-sized slipper chairs. I found those at a garage sale, and I'm gonna try that here. I think the chairs could use a little bit more detailing. I actually thought about stripping the frame down to look like this and then getting some beautiful fabric, really textured, patterned fabric. That'll be coming eventually, but I do really like this shelf. And the windows, okay, you saw these are fake. Can all be peeled off. It's paintable wallpaper, and I need to finish up the other windows, but I really love, I love actually how the mullions look with the camera. So you can really, the window doesn't blow out, it is really defined. Okay, I have to talk about my drapes, because at night this room is so incredibly dark. I'm trying to lighten it up. This is me with dark academia trying to make it work. I do love a lot of things about it, but at night it's just downright depressing. So I am going to do cream curtains in here and save these brown ones for, I actually have another spot I'll show you later, but I think I'm going to use it in another place in the house. So just really thick, heavy, just kind of that casual, relaxed linen look. And then I put the trunk over here behind the chairs. So I moved this over. It was under the window. And I really, I'm liking that so far. I have never tried it there, but I think it's gonna work. And then, oh yeah, I put the coffee table in here to try it. Okay, questions. Should I change the artwork on this piano to the black and white photo? I love my cloches. I think these are gonna stay. I'm thinking of filling them with my collection of birds' nests. I mean, I don't have a ton, but I have a few. Thought that might look good. But tell me what you think about the artwork. Should we change it? And then so like I said, the room's very dark at night. And so I took my lampshade that I made that looked like brushed brass. I'm gonna use that somewhere else, and I may try something like this. I'm not even sure how I would make this lampshade. This is a Ballard Designs lampshade, but my wheels are turning. Maybe I'll just put an Edison bulb in there. Is that too tacky? I don't know. And then we've got our little table next to the window seat. I feel like it kind of rounds out that corner nicely. And these are my very favorite books. This little set. My bookends. You heard me talk about my bookends last week. So I've been collecting bookends and champagne buckets and calendars. I didn't even realize it until I was pulling them all out to style up our desks in this room. And I have a thing for calendars. This one was from 1910. Look at that. And I love the cows. I grew up on a cattle ranch, so cows always speak to me. Then I have this one. The problem with this one, though, is it's a 2020 calendar, but it doesn't say it's 2020. So if my family were to look at it, it would really mess with them. I don't even know if I'm going to use it. Then I have a chalkboard. I thrifted these. And then, no, this one is from Home Goods. The blue one is thrifted. This is a wipe-off board. So I love them as sort of artwork. Maybe I'd use them all together above this desk in here. We have 2 desks in here in this living room. I kind of tried to play off of sort of a Pride and Prejudice layout in a sitting room, different corners where people were doing different things. And so I did a lot with desks, and I've been collecting a few things. I may make a bulletin board actually. Been collecting coral and different things for this desk. I'm actually trying to DIY coral. I've got 3 ideas I'll share with you soon, even if they all fail. Oh, and then this TV. This is our frame TV. That's a $6 print off of Etsy. And I may change the frame color a little, but my biggest question in this area is how to brighten up the dogs, I think. I love these bookends. They remind me of my dog. They have great detailing. They're very dark. And I'm thinking maybe I will gild them. I just don't know, because you can't ever go back once you gild. I could paint them and then we could go back. But this was my inspiration picture. It's from Serena and Lily. And you can see those gold bookends look really good with the blue books. My last corner that I need to decide on and probably brighten up a little bit is this secretary desk. I call it my stretch mark desk because it looks like stretch marks. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but I need to decide, do I leave it open or do I leave it closed? I like it open if I'm leaving the house and I kind of want to stage everything that I'm taking with me. I like that. I like the look of painting the inside of a secretary, but I just don't know if I have the heart to actually paint this wood. It's kind of orange, but it was a family piece, so I don't know. It's a lot of detailing in there too to have to get all those angles. down below are some books, but it's kind of too eclectic. What I would really like to do is go back to that antique store that I was at last week and get that set of books that I saw in the booth that had all the cabiny looking pieces. So I may do that for this place. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will talk to you next week. Take care.